SendQuick Cloud provides a range of analytics tools to assist you. It includes a dashboard, network monitor logs for server availability, rule availability, and ping response time, as well as alert logs. Additionally, it offers message logs to monitor messages within the system, which are split into message broadcasts, outgoing messages, and messages in queue. If you wish to filter down to specific services, you can click on Incident Management to view analytics for network monitors and email filters. You can also view your preferred public cloud providers. In the dashboard, you can create up to 6 analytics charts. To add a new analytic to the dashboard, simply click on the plus sign. In the menu, you can set rules overall, for a specific category, or by specific rule. Depending on the rules you choose, you can select the desired metrics to be part of the analytic. If you opt for a specific category, you can then choose the provider you want to evaluate and select the desired calendar period. If you choose by specific rule in the first section, you can use the drop-down to select the specific metrics you want for your analytic. The following section allows you to choose which rules to evaluate, and then you can select the period for evaluation. If you select Overall, you can still choose the rules in the second section, but it will skip to the period selection since it's an overall evaluation. Once you finish configuring the settings, click Finish to add it to your dashboard. Under the Network Monitor, you can find the rule availability. By using the drop-down, you can view the availability for a predefined range of time or set your own date range to check rule availability. Click Generate Report to obtain your results. The ping response time section works similarly, allowing you to choose a date range for getting results on ping response time. You can download these results in any available format. Next is the Alert section. Clicking on it will display all alerts related to the various services provided by SendQuick Cloud, such as cloud providers, network monitors, and email filters. Clicking Generate Report will show you all the alerts from each rule type over the selected time period. By using the tab above the list, you can view more records on one page and download the reports. You can also use the search bar to find a specific alert, and the arrows on each row can be used to sort the list as per your preference. The Message Logs section includes all the messages, including message broadcasts, outgoing messages, and messages in the queue. For incident management of specific services, you can click on Incident Management and choose services like Network Monitor and Email Filter to view the alerts under them. This applies to cloud providers as well, where you can select your specific cloud provider to view its alerts. For example, if you click on Network Monitor and choose the desired date range, it will display the alerts sent during that period, along with their relevant case ID and other details such as process status and recipients. Clicking the Acknowledgement button informs the system that the alert has been seen by an employee.